every day. Uh, uh, but we are eating the food not for the healthiness. We are eating the food for the taste. Okay. And if we see the citizens who are living in the cities and very big cities, so they are no time is whenever get up early morning. They are no time limit at what we call discipline. But if it's in the village, there is a time limit because they are doing the farmer, so they have to get up in the morning. And in the village, because I'm especially belong to Bihar, so there I'm noticing, people going to very early to sleep, and in the morning they are get up early. So second thing, I would say that medicine, yoga, both are important. Uh, yes, because but in the yoga, it's some no tricks because there is you need to guide that who the facilitator that he can guide you, because there is little bit mistakes, maybe that injury your neck and hands. It's a bad and in the medicine it's a good because there you no need to facilitate, but yes, some guidance, but there are no tricks. Um, so the both are very important. If you uh, grow up your minds, focus, so you need to be the medicine. And other hands, you want to become the healthiness. So you should do yoga. And now is that especially that everyone, I think 21 June, yeah, there is the day of the
Yeah.
yoga day. So it's
So brother,
everyone is
can I tell?
celebrating.
Yes.
Sorry, yes, brother, carry on.
Okay, Siddharth.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Now, uh, who is next? Who is telling? I have to
Yes,
speak.
yes. I'm tell you, brother.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Then
brother.
just take no. Do not
Yes.
take more than 3 minutes. Okay. Just speak.
Okay. So brother,
Yeah.
just 1 year ago, I was participate in meditation course in our in my nearby monk temple. Okay, brother temple.
Mhm.
So when so that time when I participate, I realize when I meditate. So after meditate and we will sleep and deeply, brother, and there is no stress. And what I'm saying, uh, sleep is also be deeply. So this time I realize, and I feel very good because everyone, I think everyone don't sleep in fully, brother. Because before they're sleeping, they are thinking about any negative feeling or they are sitting, and this time they are sleeping, no, brother. So this thing I realized when I was participating our temple. So this is my thought, brother.
All right. This is all you want to say?
Yes, yes, brother. So
Okay. And
it's my personal.
do you also do exercise?
Yeah, yes, brother. Even I am today going to morning walk, brother.
Oh, that's great. Okay. All right.
So
Vishal.
yoga helps a lot.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, Monty. Yeah, you can.
So yoga and meditation helps a lot. Actually, whenever we have some tension and whenever we are depressed, if you do these exercises, and that may helps a lot. And whenever we are in the tension, also in nowadays in the outside and in the morning walk, so we on the carpet we can do these exercises at home by watching the different videos, and there were a lot of yogas that we know, and it also increases the flexibility and increases our endurance. And also if we are studying and we have to take a short break, and we should do the meditation, and it also increases our focus while studying, and it also helping us to become a good learner. So daily we have to do yoga so that our flexibility is being increased, as well as our focus should be increased. And by this, our body has a good chemical reaction inside it, and so it is very helpful. That's all.
Okay. Vishal.
Okay, guys. So I think there is a great importance of yoga and meditation in our life, because if we talk about today's generation, so we have seen that lots of people, they try to focus on their physical strength rather than the internal peace. I think the more we focus on the our physical fitness, we have to focus on our mind and peace and peace. Our ancestors, they used to do like yogas and meditation, because I think it is not wrong to say that is it's our culture. Yoga helps. I think there is a great importance. Yoga keeps us to be calm and relaxed, because in today's world, everyone, not everyone, faces a lots of stressful events every day. So during this situation, we have to be in peace and calm. So I think yoga and meditation have a great importance in our life.
Okay. All right. Siddharth, you want to say something or you want to ask something?
Uh, Brother, I want to say something that
Mm-hmm.
I want to say that there's no that yoga and medicine, lots of people are taking to like religions. That this is the fault of one reasons. Yeah. So I would say that don't take that it's a part of any religions. Uh, and second thing, if you understand that no, it's our culture, and if we follow them,
True.
yes, bro.
Okay,
Hello,
just keep on. Yeah, just keep on
yeah,
if you want to say
yeah.
something.
So I was saying that uh, I'm not great, but I've listened to a lot of people like then say that. So they are saying that no, it's a related to one particular religion, so we should not follow them. Yeah. So I can't say that people's mindset that this yoga and meditation is not part of any religions. It's for apna healthiness. If somebody wants to become healthiness, and especially in these days, as somebody said that not that we are living in the lockdown. So yes, so too much not that people go to the gyms. But yes, some gyms are available now, but lots of people cannot go. They can do at home, and second things we brother okay now done it.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Hardeep.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I am Hardeep, and I'm glad to see you all again. And today's topic is yoga and meditations. Am I audible or not?
Yeah, you are perfectly audible.
Okay. Okay. Oh, let's start. For in my stance, yoga is good for our health and subconscious mind. It make us fit and give us mental stability, and moreover make us more refreshed and happy. I think meditation is good for our soul also, and there is a hidden science behind meditation. And I want to put a point through that yoga and meditation are two different things. There is a not finite light between there is a no finite line between them. I think yoga is related to our physical health, and meditation is related to our mental health. For example, yoga make us physically fit, and meditation make us mentally strong. And in today's scenario, we need both, because without yoga, we can not feel so refreshed and happy, and and more it give us more energy, and we do our work more energetic way. And I think yoga is good for our physical health, and meditations make us more stronger, give us mental stability, and make us our mental levels so strong. And I mean, I think we need both of them. If we yoga daily, it makes our body strong, and if we do meditation also with yoga, it give us mental stability. And I think we should follow both. That's my
Yeah.
point regarding your yoga and meditation.
Okay. Mr. Hardeep, if you don't mind, so can you share actually you do or not, or if you don't mind, or it's okay. Do you
If I
do
say
exercise
truly,
or
I
yoga
do
or meditation,
sometimes, but
anything?
I do sometimes. Sometimes it is not. I we don't do this regularly, because but I should try to do this
Yeah.
regularly after this session, because
Yeah.
we I realized the importance when I was thinking yesterday about yoga and meditation. It was then
Mm-hmm.
then I realized that it is more important than other activities, because firstly we should prefer our health, then after we can do anything after our health, because health is our priority. I am fit, but I go for morning walk, but I don't usually do yoga and exercise. I do pranayam, and I think you know about it's called surya asans. uh,
Yeah, soon
I do
Namaskar.
usually surya Surya Namaskars. Yeah,
Yeah,
I do
bro.
that, but I do not do yoga. For example, I do not asanas. I don't know about more asanas, and so that's why. But after this session, I will try to uh, do these yogas and meditation. I generally do meditation, but I don't usually do yoga. Uh,
Yeah, all right, bro. But
that's
you know, Hardeep
that's
Prana,
it.
like you told you are doing Surya Namaskar, you told you are doing pranayam. Th- These all things are more than sufficient for any people. And also you told you are doing morning walk. It is more than sufficient even if you want to keep
Yeah,
your
yeah,
body fit and energetic. I don't think you need to go gym or anything. It's okay.
yeah,
Like Surya Namaskar is a part of it's a part of yogasana. I think it has a 6 and 7 step, and then you can repeat, and that is more than sufficient for if someone is not
yeah,
going
yeah,
for any particular yoga. So I really appreciate the thing that you are doing. Keep
yeah,
on, even if you are comfortable with it. So yeah, that's great. Okay, Rana, you can,
yeah.
bro.
Hello,
Yeah, you are audible.
can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So a lot of guys are discussing about the importance of yoga, and I wanna share something about yoga. Like yoga is very very important. Like it will improve our mental peace or emotional. You can say, like if you do yoga every day, like it will improves your blood circulation. And even if you feel like uh, if you feel some pain, even if you're backbone pain or something like that, I mean, so and okay, if you do yoga every day, like when you are sitting on your floor and you are doing yoga and you are taking deep breath, when you will take deep breath, you'll feel lot of, and you'll get lot of peace there. Because generally if you don't do yoga but you are taking deep breath is very very important, I have to say this. And when you
Mm-hmm.
take deep breath, you will remove your anxiety or depression or disappointment, I can say that. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the,
This is all from your side.
yeah,
You can
this
also
is all
mention.
from my
Yeah.
side. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Kajol.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So yeah, yoga and hello everyone, and yeah,
Hello.
yoga and meditation are yeah, yoga and meditation are most important part of our life, I think, because yoga literally plays a different role, and it gives us peace, and it gives us peace and feel energetic after doing the yoga. So actually, when the lockdown was started, during that time and last for 3 months, I actually do regular yoga. But due to the season changes, and right now I'm unable to do this actually regularly. But yeah, I think at that time when I had started yoga, it really feels me energetic, and it gives me mental peace also. So I think yoga and meditation both are part of each other. If you are doing yoga, then you are concentrating on something, and it will meditate. So I think yeah, both are connected to each other, and both play a different role. And yeah, if we are physically fit, then I think it also improves our mental health when we are physically fit, because when we feel down, and when we feel demotivated, so I think when we feel when we feel very low, at that time our mental peace is also not there. So I think when we are physically fit, then obviously our mental peace is uh, also balanced actually. So I think it is important, and yeah, I will try to do, but yeah, let's see. And I think I love yoga, and I think I love yoga more than gym and all, because it really it really makes our body flexible. So, and I think most of the successful people, I have watched many videos. So most of the people do yoga and meditation. So it really gives them it really gives them the physical fitness and mental fitness. So I think it is important part of our life, so we should do it. But yeah, first I have to start, then after that I will tell anyone to do. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's it from my side.
exactly. Okay, all right. Uh, Jim, unmute bro first
Yes,
yourself
brother.
and yeah.
Yes,
Mhm.
so brother, in my opinion, everybody everybody is told, brother. So this is
Tell about
what I
yourself. What you like to do? Do you like meditation, yoga, both? Ever have you done exercise or you do normal walk? And why do you like? Tell
okay.
about your points. Yeah.
So brother, first of all, I'm already told, brother, that 1 year ago I was participating in meditation center, brother. And now, so now in present time, brother, I will every day morning walking only, brother. I don't what I'm saying. I don't do yet, brother. Sorry, now I'm also beginner first time. So I think you
Okay.
try to understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I can try to understand, but be relaxed. Try to explain yourself.
Yes, no need to
Mm,
sorry to us.
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
uh,
Yeah,
Dhruv,
go on. Mm-hmm.
Dhruv, do you do yoga? You do yoga?
Exactly. I will talk when will be my turn. So let other people speak firstly, okay? And I will tell what I do. Yeah, Siddharth. Siddharth, not Jim. Yeah, keep on
okay.
if you want to say
So
that.
brother,
Yeah.
so I'm do every day, brother, morning walk only in our present time,
Okay.
because and I'm not do any yoga or meditation, brother. Yet.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
This is my brother.
Okay. Now, Deep, unmute yourself and start speaking.
Hello, my name is Nati. I want to talk about yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation is a that method which is that reduce their stress and relax their own body, and which is a promoting day by day in my nations. And with the help of um yoga and meditation, we can reduce their stress, and it promote to another country with the help of my country. And in the Ayurveda time, most of the Ayurveda, sorry.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Uh, Do I think she want to say that we should promote yoga because it was originated by our country, India. So it's our responsibility to promote yoga. I think she wants to say this. Uh,
I homeopathic
Yoga is
Ayurvedic. I think that
yes,
term that she was using,
Yes,
yoga should
right?
be
I
always
want to
promoted.
explain.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I want to explain about Ayurveda. Like at that time, Ayurveda um, at that time, doctor are doctor were promote meditation and yoga, because at that time most of the doctor are not prefer medicines, because at that time technology is the not you understand. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. So you want to say that at that time it was not possible for every people like we are now, interacting with each other. So everyone know how to do yoga and everyone can do. But at that time there were no technology, so maybe wherever they were promoting all those people that just do yoga, and there were also not doctors like nowadays. There were no any equipment machinery that we can use in physical in a health time if we have disease or all those
Yes,
things.
I want to explain that
at,
topic, that
at
point.
that
Yes,
time
yes.
yoga and meditation was the best tool to keep yourself healthy and make your mind sharp, right?
Okay.
But I have some extended knowledge, so I explain. It's not. I have a no practical experience, so about yoga and meditation.
Yeah, all right, okay. Om, bro, unmute yourself. Om. Okay, Shivendra.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Sivan Tomar.
Yeah.
And today topic yoga and meditation. Okay, so I think so. First of all, I'm talking about yoga. So yoga is most important every people life. Okay, in physical health and your hand and your legs and your chest. So yoga important, and like normally you not compulsory. You only go gym, not compulsory. You can normal yogas and every single day on morning time. I think yeah, morning time is the best for yoga. And I think some people are evening times doing yoga, so that's no problem. But I think best time morning time for yoga. Okay, for physical health. And second, meditation. So meditation most important in every people life for mind and your mentally health. So that's good. And I think not compulsory for meditation in only morning time, only evening time. So not compulsory. Any time you can do meditation, like any place. Not compulsory in only your home. You can arrive any place, like any temple, any mosques, any church. So not compulsory. You can do only your by talk yourself with full respect. Only talk you by yourself. So that's a good. I think 10 to 15 and 20 minutes. So that's a good timing for meditation. And like universal sound AUM. And Hindus sound Om, OM, so meditation. And I think Islam AM, and sorry, Amin, AMIN. And Christian sound like Amen, AMEN. So that's a good, no problem. Other different religions, so no problem. That's a you can do anything. So, and not compulsory only silent place only. So you can do anytime, any place. And meditation are most important. Like every people minds tension, like frustration and irritating and negative thoughts. Every people's mind and exam tension, exam of tension, and families tension, and future tension, career. So that's a good for meditation. Okay, and you can do only 1 month and meditation. So that's I think totally change your habits and totally change your mind and totally change for your future, and not negative thoughts or totally cut, and your thinking consistence, and totally good, and for meditation and every single day. And I think better time is morning time, but not compulsory, you can do any time, but I think morning time is the yeah, hello,
This.
hello.
Yeah, I think the
I
best
think
time for is the best time for is
Hello?
morning time, because that time what happen, the oxygen level in the atmosphere is very high as compared to the evening time.
Hello.
Yeah. All
Yeah,
right.
I'm audible. Hello.
Okay, Sibbu. Yeah. Okay. You have put your point. Om, if you
Okay.
can speak, bro. Om has a network issue.
Yeah, in my side
Okay. All
and
right.
network issues, so
Okay. So.
automatically disconnect. Sorry
Hmm.
for. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So now let me talk about myself. What I do. Firstly, I will tell I do or not exactly. The Hardeep, he mentioned that he do Surya Namaskar. I believe that is the best yoga, and just because it has all the steps that you need to keep your body move and fit. Okay. You are doing, if you are doing 5, 6, 10 times, not 10 times, but it's okay. 2 and 3 times every single day Surya Namaskar. Uh, like it has a, I told just earlier, it has a 6 and 7, and you can repeat. So it has almost 12 steps. That 12 time doing exercise through Namaskar, that is more than enough for any people, for anyone who wants to keep their body fit. I'm not talking about if you want to make your body like the main and foremost aim uh, of our body is how can be more efficient. Some people are doing same work in 10 hours, some people are doing in 8 hours, 6 hours, and some people all the time they feel lazy, so sometimes we also procrastinate. Okay, so we can all uh, get rid of these kind of habits through yoga and meditation. So actually I do Surya Namaskar, and apart from it I do jumping jack. Actually I believe in aerobic exercise, so just I jumping jack and then a little bit of running on that particular place, and then squats I do, and after that breathing exercise. I believe in totally breathing exercise. Breathing exercise, it keeps your inner body in the sense your lungs, your heart, your brain, it keeps more fit than you can imagine. So like whenever you do yoga, that is also it's good, but if you are doing breathing exercise, it means you are inhaling oxygen in a great amount, and that is more beneficial for your heart and for your brain. Okay, so I do uh, breathing, and in breathing I also do like Kapal Bhati and Anulom Vilom, all these things. And at the last, now it comes out meditation. So now actually I'm not doing meditation, and like I have done like before 1 month and 2 months ago. So I have been doing it for 10 minutes every single day. I used to do, and the best meditation practice what I know. If you have ever heard about Vipassana, it is totally a practice based on your breathing exercise. You don't need to chant any mantras. You don't need to think, and you don't need to imagine anything. Just focus on your breathing. That like you are inhaling and exhaling. Just keep simple. Just because your breath is 24 hours with you, so whenever you want you can do, and you don't need any special posture. In which posture you are comfortable, you can easily do. But the ultimate aim just to keep as far as possible, as much as possible, you can just keep normal concentration on your breath. Even you don't need to concentrate, just because I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. So we can try to see, and after a few days we can realize, okay, it is working. It is working in what extent? You are more energetic, you are working more efficiently. Sometimes we just got irritated, so it also work in that uh, way. If we are too much irritated, so it works. So that is why I did. And but now I give only 20 minutes, exercise and yoga and pranayama, whatever I told. It only takes my 20 minutes. Some people think it will take more than 30 minutes, 1 hour. That's why we don't have time. But you can choose according to your time, like Surya Namaskar and a little bit breathing exercise. That is more than enough. And one best exercise is also walking. You know, if you are walking every single day, that is also a part of exercise. So if someone is not interested only doing all these things, you can easily walk every single day. That will be more and more beneficial for it. And at the last, one point that I want to make, why we need to do. Uh, I'm learning this English language. Okay, I'm creating all the session and I'm all the things I'm arranging. So sometimes it becomes hectic for me in a evening time. I mean, just doing every single day, I have to arrange everything. So whenever I do exercise, I think it is a kind of fuel. It is a kind of extra fuel that I'm adding in my body. So my body is working better. You know, like whenever you go through any bike or any car, so you go for repairing or you go in a service center, right? So yoga and meditation is all a kind of service center that you put your body in that, and now you are a kind of new person. With the help of that, you can work more efficiently. But that's why I believe we need to do yoga and exercise. And yeah, it is person to person who wants to go gym or who wants to do at home. But I think doing at home also be a part of your life. So even if you are at your any place, like sometime whenever we go gym, but after 1 and 2 weeks, if we have to go somewhere, what will happen? Yeah.
I think
The sound is coming from outside actually.
Okay, okay. All right. So the thing that I was telling, if we are going gym and after few days, for 1 and 2 weeks, if we are going somewhere, what will happen? We will just procrastinate. Okay, now how can I do gym in this place? We don't have equipment like that. So at least a little bit like Surya Namaskar and breathing exercise, we also need to realize. So if we are any place, even if we are going for marriage after 1 and 2 days, if we have a kind of comfort place, we can do easily at home, and that is the best part. And that I have been doing. Even I have started in my 10th class when I was in my Saraswati school. There I have seen many people are there doing lots of things, but there were one physical teacher and PT teacher I have seen. And like since then I believe in Surya Namaskar very well. So definitely it won't take you too much time. It will only take you 2 to 3 minutes, and this is how you can do. And some you can also do stretching exercise. That is also good. Yeah, Kajol.
No, no, I'm not saying anything.
Okay, all right. So this is what I do, and now we have 3 minutes. So someone wants to say, okay, Monty, unmute, bro, and you didn't spoke. Yeah.
Yes, I'm just saying that from my point of view, we have to do yoga and we have to do the flexible exercises that the yoga postures have. Many,
Yeah.
like we have to do the chakrasana and do the splitting exercises, and it also helping
Exactly.
whether in the different games, and it helps a lot in the flexibility exercise helps a lot. And I'm not doing meditation, but I will do after this session. And because
Yeah.
but I am in
That's
a habit
great.
of doing yoga. Yes, no, I never do the meditation, but after I do, because you all are saying that it reduces the tension as well as the depression, and but I'm
Yeah.
in a habit of doing yoga because I'm a football player, so it is so helping me yoga after doing the when I warm up my body, and
मना कर
it's
दिया मैं
Okay. Okay. Just wait.
okay. So it is very helpful for
Yeah.
me,
Uh,
and
Hmm.
who is speaking?
Yeah.
bro, I want to mention a
Exactly.
point.
yeah
Bro, I want to mention a point. We should not do yoga without any guidance. If we do yoga without any guidance, we don't know which posture we are doing, how effect it, and which its effect is good for us or not. So I think we should do yoga after some guidance, and we should follow someone for practicing yoga before practicing yoga. That's
And
my
one
point.
point,
Yeah.
one
Exactly.
point
Absolutely.
I want to mention that, yeah, the basics, sometimes we don't get the guidance actually. So the basics, but the basics of the yoga that we can do, I think it is also good for us. And next point I want to mention that, I just forgot the point.
It's
Okay, just
okay.
go ahead. After some time, I will.
Okay.
Yeah, now we have only 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. But like yesterday, I thought, okay, let us take some current type of topic. But just I thought, okay, let us take directly yoga and meditation. So maybe it's okay. I know we sometimes we procrastinate, we don't do. We know the benefits of all this. But at least if we will take topic, at least we will think a little bit, think about it. Just because we
Yeah,
have to
And
bro.
speak tomorrow, so
yeah,
it can
I
change a
Procrastination
think
little
is
bit. Yeah.
I think nothing
procrastination.
will motivate us. When we have the why, then we can do yoga.
Yeah.
If we don't have the why, that why we have to do and why we should do, so I think nothing can motivate us.